Y'all dirty ass niggas, nigga. Make sure you wash your hands for 30 seconds with hot water or I'ma fuck you up. Yeah. Move, bitch. You got coronavirus in the kitchen whipping up that hand and no Midas Cyrus talking down on gang. God shoot you, but I don't condone violence. Yeah, nigga get the coffin, niggas get the dime. If niggas get the coffin, niggas get the dime.
All jokes aside, man, what's the deal, man? It's your boy back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about Trippie Redd. Before I get into the business, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, man, comment whatever you feeling, and yeah, let's get into it. Number one thing about Trippie's music is you gotta sing, man. I'm not telling you you gotta go to Craigslist and get a fucking vocal coach. I'm not telling you you got to be Mariah Carey, but you gotta carry some notes, guys. Notes have to be stretched. You have to be able to hit different pitches, and this is what makes Trippie's music unique. I wouldn't even call him a rapper, dude. He's a fucking singer, bro. But have no fear. Dun 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 dun, auto-tune is here. A lot of auto-tune rappers get into their flow or melodies and they let it rock for 4 to 8 bars before switching it up. Now to listeners, this can get a little too predictable after a while, so Trippie approaches his melodic structure a little different. Each 4 bars becomes a 4-bar section and he switches it up after the 4th one 100% of the time. Tons of rappers approach this method the same way, where all 4 bars will sound similar, but Trippie turns that on its head, and 3 of those 4 lines are going to sound similar and the 4th will be different in some way. This keeps his melodies sounding vibrant and fresh. So for example,
she got a little bit of yeast. Getting all the money, count it up, count all my gray bullshit, shawty said.
So as you'll see in these lyric examples, the yellow highlighter represents the 3 lines that sound similar and the blue highlighter represents the switch up. You'll also notice there might be a switch up at the beginning or there might be a switch up at the end. You can combine these methods and then it'll give you a multitude of directions to go. You could take that 4th line and go in a higher pitch.
Rolling around with the same clique. I've been rolling around with the gang bitch.
You can leave some space.
Talk about yeah, 14, hey,
You can add some runs to it.
Could have been love, I don't know. Yeah, love.
Also, we want to alternate between short and long melodies.
I was eating it up, beating it up, ayy. Eating it up, beating it up, ayy. Gave that.
Not only do we want to alternate between short and long melodies, we also want to alternate between short and longer notes. This will keep our melody sounding more dynamic. Speaking of dynamics, let's get into the actual dynamics. When he does change his melodic structures, he changes his tone as well. You usually hear it when a beat drops or the beat switches up. For example,
Spinach, I've been here for I said until the end, yeah. Baby, cry me a river.
this can help when you want to switch flows or you want to change song sections. A simple tone change can switch up the whole mood and vibe. It can turn a verse into a chorus and vice versa. Alright, let's get into the leaps. Now, unlike most auto-tune rappers who might place one leap in their melodic lines and might place the leap at the end of the line every time, Trippie actually is a vocalist. He has leaps in the middle of lines, at the end of lines, at the beginning of lines, and this is another thing that keeps the melody sounding different and fresh. A normal rapper would make a melody like da-na-na-na-na-na-na, 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 but Trippie's would be more like da na 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 na. Notice how the second one was more dynamic. It had more leaps. It had more variation in the note lengths. Let's remember, we want most of our melodies to last the duration of 1 bar, only to switch it up sometimes. We want to repeat a shape 4 times, but in the 4th one, we want to add some type of variation or switch up. We also want to change tones with each 4-bar switch up. We don't want to just use longer and higher notes or leaps at the end of line. We want them throughout our melodic line. This will keep our melodies fresh. Now I'm going to take all these techniques and combine them with my style to try to create a Trippie Redd vibe. Remember, at the Rap Coach University, we don't make dick riders over here. We're not trying to sound exactly like Trippie Redd. We're trying to take what we like from them and implement it into our style to create something new. I want to thank y'all for all the love. Thank y'all for all the hate. Let's be great.
Love stars from the battle. I've been lighting my cigars with a candle. I don't really wanna start with the sad songs, but she took a nigga heart and she ran off. And I don't even wanna call cause it hassle. Talking shit cause you know I'm an asshole. Got me standing in the dark like a shadow. Handful of ammo for your love, I would go to battle, yeah. Who needs love? Put my heart in the trash. Full speed life, do the whole damn dash. Foolish me thinking about them hoes in the past. If she got a new man, I put a hole in his ass. If you love me, girl, better say that shit. Tell it to the world, I don't play that shit. I'ma load the 4-5, then I aim that shit. I'ma bang that shit, I don't play that shit, yeah.